Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you all are doing well. I'm pretty excited to show you this Triaxle Pete Daycab, true heavy haul, 20 fronts, 46 rears. It's only got 53,000 miles. It's got a wet kit, full lockers. Gonna do a full walk around for you. Really nice, clean truck. Let's go ahead and get it fired up here. I'll do the walk around, show you underneath. Show you frame rails, tires, brakes, everything that you'd want to see. There's your 20 fronts, 22.7 drop, 46 rears. Quarter floats. Dual steering gear boxes. Condition overall is really nice on this. I like that it's not super stretched out and long as well. I'm getting in and out of some tighter spots. Here's your hydraulic tank. Super nice storage box, light bar. Your double frame as well, super long slide. Brakes. Underneath side's really clean. I think you'll like the overall condition of this one. It's only got 53,000 miles. It's got a lot of life left. Only blemish I see on it. Got a couple paint chips right there. That's it. Appreciate you watching. If you got questions on it, you can give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.